This dance is called a rattlesnake kiss. 32 count, 4 walls, no tag and no restart. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, make a quarter turn to your left with your hip push out. So it goes 1, 2. Then repeat another time to your left, hip out, return. After this, you do a step, lock, step. Step, lock, step with a scarf. So section 1 again, with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, do a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Step, pivot forward, turn to your right, cross, step your right to the side. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step your left back facing 730 with a hook. Step down on your right. Make a quarter turn to your right with your left foot. Step quarter. Step your right back with a hook and step forward with a sweep. So section 3, back, hook, step, quarter back, back, hook, forward, sweep. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, with to your left with a quarter turn. In front, side, behind, quarter. Step, pivot, half turn. Step forward, half turn. And walk, walk. So let me repeat the last section. After your sweep, you do a whip to your left with a quarter turn. In front, side, behind, quarter. Step, pivot, quarter, half turn. Walk, walk. So with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,